Hey guys, my name is Janibell Rosanne here on YouTube and Instagram, and today I will be partnering with Clarins on this natural makeup look. So if you want to know how I got this look, then keep on watching.
We're going to start this look with the SOS Primer in Universal Light on clean, moisturized skin. Its key ingredient is organic sea lily extract, and that helps keep the skin hydrated and ready for any sort of makeup application. Whenever I use a glowy primer, I like to mainly apply it in the center of my face for a more lit from within look. Now it's time for mascara. The Super Volume Mascara is definitely one of my favorites from the Makeup Heroes products. For those days that you don't want to wear falsies, this mascara definitely comes through. And now for the lips, I am using the Lip Comfort Oil in Red Berry. I love how big the doe foot applicator is on this lip oil because it applies the oil so evenly and very quickly. Infused with 100% plant oils, it helps nourish, soothe, and plump the lips. You can use it on its own like I did, or you can top your favorite lipstick or lip liner for a little hint of shine. To finish off this look, I'm setting my makeup with the Fix Makeup Setting Spray. And there you have it, you guys, the final makeup look, very fresh and natural. Thank you so much to Clarins for partnering with me on this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed.